Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter and add opening balance in Zoho Books. It's very easy thing to do. In Zoho Books, the opening balance represents the starting financial position of a business at the beginning of a new accounting period or when migrating from another accounting software. It essentially carries forward the closing balance from the provides previous period, ensuring continuity in financial record. So, how you can enter and add opening balance in Zoho Books? For this, first opening Zoho Books and login. After logging in, what you have to do, go to settings from the top right, then from the top right select opening balances here. Then you have to select import opening balances, or you can scroll down and search for bank, and then add your balances details here, and that's how you can add your opening balance in the Zoho Books. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thank you for watching.